Our species has gazed at the stars for millennia. We've always wondered if we are alone and if other worlds exist beyond our own. One celestial body in particular has captured our imagination: Mars. This red planet, our neighbor in the vast expanse of space, has beckoned us with the possibility of life and the potential for human exploration. For centuries, Mars was a distant object, visible only through telescopes. We studied its surface, its seasons, and its thin atmosphere, yearning to know more. Science fiction writers spun tales of Martians and civilizations, fueling our desire to one day set foot on its dusty plains. Today, that dream is closer than ever before. We are on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, driven by technological advancements and a bold vision for the future. The journey to Mars will be our greatest challenge yet, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and resilience. But the rewards, for our species and our understanding of the universe, are immeasurable. The journey to establish a human presence on Mars is a multifaceted endeavor. Space agencies and private companies around the world are collaborating and competing to turn this ambition into reality. Their plans vary in approach, but they share a common goal: to send humans to Mars and establish a sustainable presence on the red planet. NASA, the American Space Agency, has outlined a multi-phase plan for human exploration of Mars. Their strategy involves developing the necessary technologies, conducting robotic missions to scout the planet, and ultimately sending astronauts on a pioneering journey. SpaceX, the private spaceflight company founded by Elon Musk, has its sights set on Mars with even greater ambition. Musk envisions establishing a self-sustaining city on Mars, capable of supporting a large human population. Other organizations, including the European Space Agency, ESA, and the China National Space Administration, CNSA, are also actively pursuing Mars exploration. ESA plans to send a rover to Mars in the coming years, while China has ambitious plans for a sample return mission, and eventually, human missions to the red planet. The challenges of reaching and living on Mars are immense, but human ingenuity is rising to meet them. Technological advancements in rocketry, spacecraft design, life support systems, and other fields are paving the way for our journey to the red planet. Reusable rockets like SpaceX's Starship are being developed to significantly reduce the cost of space travel. These rockets will be capable of carrying large payloads and crew to Mars, and returning to Earth for reuse, making interplanetary travel more sustainable. Advanced life support systems are being designed to recycle air, water, and waste, creating a closed-loop environment that minimizes the need for resupply missions from Earth. Robotics and automation will play a crucial role in establishing and maintaining a human presence on Mars. Robotic rovers and landers will scout the terrain, gather resources, and even begin construction on habitats before humans arrive. 3D printing technology is being explored as a means of building structures on Mars using local materials, reducing the need to transport building materials from Earth. While technological advancements are bringing Mars within reach, the red planet presents numerous challenges to human survival. The Martian environment is harsh and unforgiving, with a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and exposure to harmful radiation. The Martian atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's and is composed primarily of carbon dioxide. This thin atmosphere provides little protection from the sun's radiation, and the lack of oxygen means humans will need to wear pressure suits and live in pressurized habitats. Temperatures on Mars can fluctuate wildly, from a relatively balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, at the equator to a frigid -200 degrees Fahrenheit, -129 degrees Celsius at the poles. Mars also lacks a global magnetic field, which on Earth protects us from harmful cosmic rays and solar flares. Exposure to this radiation poses a significant risk to human health, increasing the likelihood of cancer and other health problems. Section 5. Overcoming Martian obstacles. To overcome the challenges of living on Mars, scientists and engineers are developing innovative solutions. These solutions range from developing advanced life support systems to exploring the possibility of terraforming the planet to make it more hospitable to life. One promising approach is to use in situ resource utilization, which involves using resources found on Mars to support human life. For example, water ice beneath the Martian surface could be extracted and purified for drinking and irrigation. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere could be used to grow plants for food and generate oxygen. Terraforming, the process of transforming a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like, is a long-term goal. This could involve releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere to thicken it and warm the planet, or seeding the planet with microbes to create a breathable atmosphere. Section 6. Countdown to Mars. The timeline. The timeline for establishing a permanent human presence on Mars is still uncertain, but many experts believe it could happen within the next few decades. The first human missions to Mars are likely to occur in the 2030s, with subsequent missions gradually establishing a more permanent presence. SpaceX, with its ambitious plans for a Martian city, aims to send the first humans to Mars as early as the mid-2020s. However, this timeline is contingent on the successful development and testing of their Starship spacecraft and other technologies. NASA has a more conservative timeline, aiming for human missions to Mars in the 2030s or 2040s. The establishment of a permanent self-sustaining human settlement on Mars is likely to be a gradual process unfolding over many decades. It will require continued technological advancements, international collaboration, and the unwavering determination of our species to push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 7. Why Mars? The benefits. The journey to Mars is fraught with challenges and risks, so why are we so determined to go? The answer lies in the profound benefits that settling on Mars could bring to humanity, both now and in the distant future. Exploring and settling on Mars would allow us to answer fundamental questions about the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. It would force us to develop new technologies and solutions that could benefit life on Earth in countless ways, and it would provide a backup plan for humanity in the face of existential threats to our home planet. Beyond these practical benefits, there is also a powerful philosophical imperative to explore Mars. Humans are driven by a deep-seated curiosity to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to expand our horizons. Settling on Mars would be a testament to the enduring spirit of human exploration and a giant leap forward for our species. Section 8. A Martian Future. Imagine a future where humans live and work on Mars, conducting research, building communities, and exploring the Red Planet. They might live in habitats powered by solar and nuclear energy, grow crops in Martian soil, and even terraform the planet to make it more habitable. Children born on Mars would grow up under a faint salmon-colored sky, accustomed to the lower gravity and the need to wear pressure suits when venturing outside. They would explore the towering volcanoes and vast canyons of Mars, uncovering the secrets of its past and shaping its future. This Martian future may seem like science fiction, but it is a future within our grasp. By combining our technological prowess with our unyielding spirit of exploration, we can make this vision a reality. The journey to Mars will be long and arduous, but the rewards will be immeasurable, for ourselves and for generations to come. Section 9. Onward to the Stars. The journey to Mars is not just about reaching another planet, it's about becoming a multi-planetary species. It's about securing the future of humanity and ensuring that our civilization continues to thrive, no matter what challenges we may face. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of exploration, we are reminded of the words of President John F. Kennedy, who said, "We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy but because they are hard, because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills, because that challenge is one that we are willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one which we intend to win." The same spirit of determination and innovation that took us to the moon will carry us to Mars and beyond. The journey will be long, but the destination is worth every ounce of our effort. Onward to Mars, and onward to the stars.